Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by containing the problem now. Take the site offline or serve a maintenance page so users can't be harmed while you work. At the same time, snapshot the server and preserve logs for forensic review because you'll need original evidence. Make sure to disable outgoing integrations, cron jobs, and API keys to stop any ongoing abuse. Once contained, notify stakeholders and engaged responders. This prevents accidental changes and keeps everyone aligned while you move into cleanup. You now investigate the root cause methodically. Run integrity scans and compare file checksums to a trusted baseline to find injected files. This shows how the attacker modified the code. Audit all accounts and revoke suspicious keys, then rotate passwords and secrets so access paths are closed. Next, kill malicious processes, remove injected code, and uninstall rogue plugins. Document each change. Once done, rebuild components from known good sources rather than patching compromised files in place to ensure cleanliness. You finish by restoring the site safely. Rebuild services from trusted backups or fresh deployments, then apply all security patches and hardening measures, CSB, HTTP headers, least privilege accounts, and key rotation. Re-enable integrations one at a time while monitoring logs, traffic patterns, and error rates to catch regressions. Make sure to run vulnerability scans before full public launch. If anything recurs, revert to the preserved snapshot and perform deeper forensics in an isolated lab.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.